Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about how can hearing aids help individuals with difficulties in hearing soft sounds. Soft sounds weave the tapestry of life from the rustling of leaves to the gentle murmur of a loved one's voice. For individuals facing difficulties in hearing these delicate nuances, the world can feel muted. Fortunately, hearing aids stand as remarkable instruments, transforming whispers into waves and restoring the richness of sound. In this podcast, we'll delve into how hearing aids play a crucial role in amplifying soft sounds and enriching the auditory experience for individuals with hearing difficulties. Hearing soft sounds is a complex task that involves the delicate interplay of the auditory system's intricate components. Individuals with hearing loss, especially in the high frequency range, may struggle to perceive soft sounds, leading to challenges in everyday communication and missing out on subtle auditory cues. How hearing aids address soft sound challenges. Amplification and customization. Hearing aids are equipped with advanced amplification technology that boosts the volume of incoming sounds. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with difficulties in hearing soft sounds. Audiologists can customize hearing aids to cater to the specific hearing needs of an individual. This includes adjusting amplification levels for soft sounds, ensuring that even the faintest of sounds are perceptible. Digital signal processing. Modern hearing aids leverage digital signal processing to distinguish between different types of sounds and enhance the clarity of soft sounds. This technology allows hearing aids to prioritize speech and soft environmental sounds while minimizing background noise, ensuring that individuals can effortlessly engage with the subtleties of their surroundings. Directional microphones. Directional microphones in hearing aids focus on sounds coming from a specific direction, helping individuals concentrate on the sounds they want to hear. By reducing background noise and amplifying soft sounds in the desired direction, directional microphones enhance the perception of soft speech and environmental sounds. Automatic volume control. Automatic volume control is a feature that adjusts the amplification level of hearing aids based on the loudness of the incoming sounds. This ensures that soft sounds are appropriately amplified without causing discomfort when encountering louder sounds, creating a seamless and comfortable listening experience. Wide Dynamic Range Compression WDRC. WDRC is a technology that compresses the dynamic range of incoming sounds, making soft sounds more audible while preventing the distortion of louder sounds. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with hearing difficulties in both quiet and noisy environments, allowing them to appreciate a wide range of soft and loud sounds. Speech enhancement algorithms. Many hearing aids employ speech enhancement algorithms that specifically target and amplify soft speech sounds. By isolating and boosting soft speech sounds, these algorithms enhance the clarity of conversations, making it easier for individuals to engage in communication even in hushed tones. Tinnitus masking and relaxation sounds. Some hearing aids offer features like tinnitus masking or relaxation sounds, which can help mask the perception of ringing or buzzing noises associated with tinnitus. These soothing sounds also contribute to creating a more comfortable acoustic environment, making it easier for individuals to focus on and appreciate soft external sounds. Regular maintenance and checkups. Regular maintenance and checkups with audiologists are crucial for ensuring that hearing aids continue to perform optimally. Audiologists can fine tune the settings of hearing aids based on individual preferences and any changes in hearing levels, ensuring that soft sounds remain clear and audible. Hearing aids are powerful tools that bridge the gap between individuals with hearing difficulties and the symphony of soft sounds that make life vibrant. By utilizing advanced technologies such as digital signal processing, directional microphones, and automatic volume control, hearing aids excel at amplifying soft sounds and restoring the richness of auditory experiences. For those facing challenges in hearing soft sounds, seeking professional guidance from audiologists is essential. Through comprehensive assessments and personalized adjustments, audiologists can tailor hearing aid settings to address individual needs, ensuring that the beauty of whispers and subtle sounds is once again brought to the forefront. In embracing the transformative capabilities of hearing aids, individuals embark on a journey where soft sounds are no longer elusive but instead become cherished notes in life's melodious composition. For any query or concerns, please call us on 9658395839. Our customer support team will assist you further, or mail us at customercare@aanvihearing.com.